The next step is to add the functionality that will be responsible for moving the player across the screen. Create a new arrow function called movePlayer that has three parameters called key, x velocity, and is pressed. So we write down the keyword const first, and then the name of the arrow function would be the movePlayer equal here, and a parenthesis to input the three parameters, and an arrow pointing to the right, and then a curly braces for the functionalities of the movePlayer function, arrow function rather, and then a semicolon. We now move to our parentheses to input the three parameters, x velocity, and then is pressed. So these are our parameters. And what do you mean by parameters again? And the differentiation of parameters and arguments is that parameters are placeholders, or they hold values for us, whereas arguments are the actual values, meaning they are the numbers itself. So parameters holds values or placeholders, but they are more than that, as they can define, or they are the definition of our arrow functions or functions. Why is that? Because they structure the function, as you can see here, the key, x velocity, and is pressed, which is the structure of our arrow function movePlayer, as the instruction says, to add the functionality which will be responsible for moving the player across the screen. And they are the core structure for making that happen. So that would be it. Nice.